Hello, my friends, follower, listener, and day traders. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Today, I thought I will give you one more awesome strategy about to all type of instrument of trading like forex, currency pairs, and that binary.com, all type of pairs, boom and crush also included in this. That NAS killer also follow this strategy. This is very awesome, true and easy strategy. So simply you have to set up as I told you, and you will see the results of this strategy. This is my humble request, kindly follow all instruction and parameters as we told in video and show you. Don't do changes in our strategy and don't add extra things, cause we made the strategies based on calculation and true calculation of indicators, and we test the behavior of indicators, and then we make an awesome strategy. So let me show you the strategy. First of all, I want to tell you this is guppy moving average based strategy. So simply follow my instruction and setup. First of all, we have to choose the moving average, 5 period, okay, shift nothing, method exponential, and choose color red, apply to close, and done. Again come, moving average, period 10, next, same, done. Once more, moving average, 15, next, done. Once more, moving average, period 20, and done. Okay, look, count this, 1 2 3 4. One more, moving average 25, and done. Again, moving average 30, and change the color, done. Moving average 35, and done. Again, moving average 40 period, and done. Again, moving average 45 period, and done. Once more, moving period, and done. Now again, moving average 55, and change the color, choose same color I choose. Moving average 60, and done. Moving average 65, and done. Moving average 70 and done. Moving average 75 and done. Select the moving average, change the color, ATP period and done. $85 and done. Moving average 90 and done. Moving average 95 and done. Moving average 100 and done. Okay guys, so now 105, change the color. It's time to change the color. $110 period and done. Moving average 150 period, 115 period and done. $120 period and done. 125 period and done. 130 period and done. 135 period and change the color black. Moving average again 140 and done. 145 and done. Moving average last one 150 and done. Our strategy is ready for trade. Very awesome, accurate and good results strategy. So now it's time to tell you how trade using this strategy. So switch to M15 and let me show you the things. First of all, look this point. Once all moving averages start going down, you have to open your position, like here a sell position. Okay, for SL use the previous high. For take profit, draw support and resistance like this. Support level, your entry level, take profit, and this one is your take profit. Take profit, entry level and exit. Sorry, stop loss. SL, entry, take profit. Let me show you one more example of a buy trade. Look here, buy trade crossing your SL here, and your take profit will be draw support resistance here, and move as market moving. Look here, very awesome. Once crossing, take your position. Look here, awesome buy, sorry, sell. Crossing and trade. Your take profit, entry, and for spot level, look here, old resistance is your SL. This one your take profit, and move as market moving, TP, so you will go long. Okay, very awesome. If you want to catch the boom and crush spikes, so simply once that market touch the last one, moving average, place trade for spike. Look here. Once market touch the last, place your trade. Look. Once market touch the last moving average, place your trade for spike. And look here, my buy is running for spikes. Let me find, if I find a live example. Look here, market touch this last and spike. Sorry, this is crush. You have to look upside. And look, spike. Also look this one, spike. Okay, also this strategy for spike trading. And look that last one, spike. And look this one, spike. Okay, so let me see that market is going to buy. So let's place here buy. Okay, so very awesome strategy, very helpful. If still have any question, any doubt, feel free ask me. I will give you more details and more help. So trade with confidence using this strategy. If still have any question, feel free ask me. Thanks for watching Traders Profit.